Yo, hello guys, it's Switch here. Short video about the BOINKERS. Up again in the BOINKERS today, Sunday, big raffle within 2 hours and 30 minutes. You wanna go and you wanna press raffle ticket for free. You don't need any money to participate. You don't need any exchange to participate, which means you don't need to be even 18 years old. You can be 5 years old kid who know how to open the Telegram app. Go to this, press tickets as much as possible, because obviously the people who are going to spend money, will be able to get tickets, or the people who are playing on consistent basis, like I am for the last, I think, 2 weeks. I started like 2 weeks ago my journey within the Web3 crypto gaming universe on the TON ecosystem within the Telegram app. Fuck yeah. So it's fucking amazing, to be honest with you guys. And yeah, I'll be like testing on daily basis the apps. You will have in below every video description what I'm using. So basically everything what you see in my description videos I'm using already. So there is not such thing like I'm just basically throwing random fucking links to get as many people as possible to just download random shit. No, I'm just testing those apps. If I don't like them, I will remove, and that description is going to be molded and transformed. So basically, obviously I just started my journey within like opening my own business as YouTube and slash brand, my own brand. So everything just happened a month ago. I'm into trying to understand how to open the business. So I'm learning from the wealthy affiliates lessons. So you can see them for free on my channel. You can also participate within that wealthy affiliate or referrals below. I'm learning AI courses for beginners, but I realize right now that's going to be this channel about newses from Web3 games in the TON ecosystem, newses about the games I'm playing, newses about the miners I'm playing, wallets, etc. So everything about Telegram Web3 is going to be here on this channel. So yeah, with that being said, 2 more things I want to share with you guys. Obviously, you just want to go to the BOINKERS and you just want to use 3 raffles. I have 200 raffles for today. 2 hours, 28 minutes. 10 players will get 100 ton. And honestly, I don't need to be one of them, because I will be happy if I will receive a half ton. And you might ask me, why Switch? Why you will be so excited? Because that's money is like fuck all. Yeah, but the thing is, like, lots of apps which I'm testing will require you to send a half ton to participate within the airdrop. So if you don't have that half ton, you have to fuck around with exchange, with ID, yada yada. I don't have an exchange. I never participate or invest into cryptocurrencies. That's why I can be super transparent with it. So for those who don't know how it's going to be to create the wallet, it's going to be automatic. I'm gonna go to my wallets, but I can share you as well how my wallet looks like. Well, the same like yours if you're going to create, but I'm just gonna talk a little bit more about this wallet so you can understand some things from it. You will go on the second tab, which is drop, and you will have something like connect the wallet. And if you don't have the wallet is going to be created automatically, and then you will have this wallet here. You don't have to care about this left side as a wallet. That's not the part you're going to use. So let's say you're living in UK, as I am. So the Telegram wallet, it's locked in UK. Like, you are not able to use it. Although, like, everybody know how to transfer funds anyway, so nobody give a fuck about this. Like, governments, like, this is like funny. Like governments are locking the wallet. Okay, so you're just basically transferring this to the different wallet. In different wallet, you're changing for the exchange, which actually your country supporting, and then you're just sending the funds. But this is just for the people who are actually going to receive fuckloads of money. Like 100 ton. If I will have 100 ton, I will share some part of that for the giveaways, and a majority of that I will allocate to the other apps to improve upon it, to access them for the airdrops, to improve within them, to have more points from airdrops. 100 tron is fuck all. If we're going to, I don't know, win at some point 10,000 euros, then I will be thinking to set up the exchange. Anyway, so if you're going to win that half ton, or I'm wishing for you guys obviously to win 100 ton, you will have the email from that. So half ton I received on the February, and then you can go February 24th to be exact with. And then you can go to your wallet, and in your wallet you will see tone, and you can press that and you will see I've received on the 24th of February the half ton. And that's also when you can click that, and that will tell you like Boinkers raffle, Libras, Ton Fest. Another thing which is hidden stuff and it's not going to be announced. So if you're going to spend some microtransactions, just be tricky. I mean, choosy with this, because some microtransaction you can get like literally for 20 cents. And it's good because it's good value, but some of them, they actually trying to hook you to spending money. So just for argument's sake, you will have some microtransaction like super cheap. You want to spend, invest, and then you will have opportunity to have like a common, which is toilet paper, and then rare artifacts, and you will be rewarded. Obviously, if people spending fuckloads of money and they will have 5, 10, 15, 20 rare artifacts, they will actually receive lots of money, but at the end of the day, they actually invest that money unless they want lots of tons, so they didn't invest any money. So what I'm trying to say, they only telling you like when it's a huge amount, or let's say 5 rare artifacts you will have, or 10 or 15, so they will announce that. But if you have just one, as I have, they're not announcing that, and they just sending you money. They're sending you tons. So I just received 2 tons on the 27th of the February, and also a blue toilet brush bonus. So because I have the blue toilet brush, I received 2 tons, which I'm super happy about this, because I invest that, I unlock some other features in some other apps, which I can test and share with you guys. So this is my wallet, by the way. If you want to send me some ton, you feel free to do so. But do I want to say something more about my poor wallet? I don't think so. I think you already know everything what you need to know. Obviously, one more time, if somehow you will manage, I don't know, playing games another 10 years from now, and you can accumulate all the crap here, and let's say for argument's sake you will have 100,000 whatever currency, I don't know, dollars and pounds, then you don't need to be worried about your wallet. It's not supported. You just simply need to move to the country which is supported. I'm just fucking with you. I mean, you can do that obviously, but then you can just use different wallets and just transfer funds, swap funds to different currency. But I think in this one you can swap. Yeah, you can swap in this one as well. So basically, just choose USD supposed to be, and it is Theta USD, and you're just swapping to USD, and you're just sending that to exchange. And UK we have the Coinbase. Binance is global, I guess. Yeah, well, it's global. I don't know the Coinbase is global. It's, I think definitely it's in UK. So one more time, if we will have lots of money, we will figure the way to get those money. One more thing I want to talk about TOYGERS app. If you will be so kind and support me with this, like I'm not going to get anything than just points from you, but I strongly believe if I accumulate like fuckloads of points, I will get something from them as well. But what's for you in it? Like, why are you supposed to actually download this? Is like, this is massive. This is like fucking amazing project. I'm just speechless. I was reading everything about this, and I will be continue to read everything about this. First thing first, they're going to announce at some point staking system. So this currency yacht is not listed yet, but it's going to be a stake system. You actually, everything what you are able to mine here, you'll be able to stake. So it's not just a tool to grind brainlessly the currency. It's not just a tool to build toys, which you can actually buy toys right now, but you will be able to build your own toy as a brand. As I open the business, I already have the idea and the vision. I want to create the Switch to Pro or Switchback toy. So you can buy right now the toy from the BOINKERS, which I mentioned already. So you can buy that for $77. And lots of people don't realizing those toys within like decade from now, they're gonna fucking skyrocket. Why? Because it's just 170 units. And right now it's still like people don't understanding the value in it, but there's going to be 5 years from now, 10 years from now, especially the young people, kids, they will dive into that, because at the end of the day, $77 when you're working is fuck all, but usually people don't understanding the meaning and the value of how it's going to basically hit the market. Like, people just thinking about like, oh, okay, toy for $77. Like, why the fuck are you supposed to buy it? Why are you supposed to buy it? Close this fucking seal that. You can wank on it if you want, but just don't do anything with it, and you'll be able to sell this for much higher profit, just simply because it's $77. And in that game, the BOINKERS is already like 4.5 million people playing already. I'm just actually surprised that nobody buying that. Another toy you can buy actually is 300. There wasn't 300. I think it was well like 100. I think they changed the price. Oh, fuck me, I don't know. Anyway, no, this is Angel. Okay, that's the correct price. Collection. City Holder, that's supposed to be 100. Yeah, it's 100. City Holder, another game which I'm super excited about this. You building your Utopia City, fucking amazing game. I wish to buy all those toys at some point. Right now I'm unemployed, so I'm not able to buy, but I will definitely, when I'm going to win, first thing first, I'm just buying at least one toy from this, because that's gonna be massive. That's gonna rise in the value. That's going to basically give you more points, rewards from the TOYGERS. And another thing, what I'm super excited is, within 20 days, every 24 hours, you can log into that. You can press that button here, and that's going to unlock another day. After 20 days, you will have the toy builder. And I don't really know it's going to allow us to build the toy, but what I know for sure, you will have 10,000 yacht points on daily basis by doing fuck all. So basically, one more time, 10,000 points by doing fuck all on the cryptocurrency, which doesn't matter, is it going to be worth 0.00 or 0.001 cent, doesn't fucking matter, because you will compound this interest within the app, because it's going to be built. You can follow the X, you can follow the Telegram, or you can follow me. I've done already the separate playlist for this with just one video, but I'm going to do fuckloads of videos about this project. This is fucking amazing, and you're supposed to understand how massive and how big it's going to be. It's already happening, but obviously people just are not following the shit, and it's like, the thing is like, it's hard to follow everything, because I'm sitting within the Web3 sort of apps every day, and I know, like, I probably grasping right now like 5% of what's going on, because it's just so fucking massive universe right now, creating that ecosystem. Every company slash programmers, they're just diving into that and doing. I already thinking about creating app as well, but that's a different topic though. Okay, so really excited about this. If you want to support me, I will have the points from you if you're grinding. So just help me, just help me, and I will have more points slash more rewards slash more stars, whatever, slash more cryptocurrency, and then obviously I will do the giveaways for you guys as well. So currently 3 million ish total yachts points, majority of that, as you can see, from the rewards. So I've done everything what you can possibly do here, that's why I have so much. And then I was grinding a little bit. Like, don't really have time for it. I just rather to figure it out the apps and do the videos and do other content, but I still where the fuck I have the phone? I still scrolling what kind of lot on the phone. It's not open right now. Usually it is, but then, like I said, you won't be able to do this all the time. You won't be able to do this all the time, so it's actually not opened. Yeah, anyway. So one more thing. Another super amazing app. It's the BAMS, which is on my tablet here. And you can just tap your BAM and to get points. I will need to do the separate video, and I think separate playlist is going to be about this project as well, because this is not just a simple game. This is not just a game where you're just taking a phone and you're just tapping and to energy, and that's it, and hoping for the airdrop. This have implemented fuckloads of stuff, but definitely I need to put this on the screen to tell you. But I can tell you one thing, and I'm just going to finish the video. That's the video obviously from the bumps. Just go through my ref, join my hood, join my team. You will have support from me, because I will boost my team on daily basis, so you have more rewards, and then I will build the city for us as well, and we will have more rewards and more gadgets, more NFTs, whatever, from the BAMS ecosystem. So just wait for that. Join me if you can already. And those 3 apps, well, actually those 2 apps, because BOINKERS is like no brainer. I don't really want to invest any money into that. I just want to play because it's no brainer. You can win something, but I want to invest money into the TOYGERS at some point and buy the toys and build my own toys. I definitely want to invest the money into BAMS. So I will definitely share with you what's going on, and I hope to basically build massive community here, share, help each other with playing those games together. And obviously I will have points, which equals I will do giveaways. Yeah, excuse me guys, super excited, super tired, constantly searching something here on the phone, on the desktop, then I have laptop over there, like fuck me, and then I just want to basically carry on with different stuff as well. But I'm hooked into gaming. I used to be a gamer for, well, right now I started when I was 5 years old playing the games, so I'm almost 40, so 35 years within like gaming industry. And right now I realize, fuck me, I like indie games. Fuck me, maybe we're gonna make money on it. And fuck me, why I shouldn't try do that? Like, so we will see. Take care and bye for now.